Good morning, students. I K Misra again came here with taking a video for class 7th, chapter 4, rational number. Students, this is the second part of the rational number. In first part of rational number, I discussed what is rational number, some properties related to rational numbers, and some important terms related to rational numbers in previous videos. In this video, I will discuss here the representation of rational number on a number line. That means how will you represent the rational number on number line? Students, I think all the students know the representation of integers on number line because this is already studied in previous classes. So you know the representation of integers. First of all, review the representation of integers. How will you represent the rational number? For representing integers or rational number, first of all, draw a line. Here I draw a line on which take a point O and take here 0. And you know, right side of the 0 is positive integer and left side of the 0 is negative integer. Here all the equal bits take point A, B, C, that means 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here in left side -1, -2, -3. This is the representation of integer. Similarly, represent the rational number like representation of integers. For representation rational number, first of all identify the rational number is lies which two integers. Suppose I write an rational number 2 by 3. Here it is a positive integer, that means it is clear it will be right side of the 0, and you know its value is less than 1. That means it will be represented between before 1, and so we have to represent 2 by 3. First of all, divide the length 0, 1, 0 to 1 in 3 equal parts. Its denominator is 3, so you have to divide its 0. Suppose we have to represent it a number line. First of all, draw. Here take a point 0, here 1, here 2, 3, and these are all positive integers. Here -1, -2 and so on. Students, we identify here 2 by 3 is lies between 0 and 1. That means 2 by 3 lies between this part of the line. Here to represent 2 by 3, divide this part into 3 equal part because its denominator is 3. Here 1 part, 2 part, here 1 part, 2 part and 3 part. It is divided into 3 parts. Here first part is 1 by 3. Here this part is point P is equal to 2 by 3. That means you represent 2 by 3. Here this part is 3 by 3. That means 1. Again you represent another rational number. Suppose you have to represent -1 by 2, 1 by 2 on a same number line. You have to represent -1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So first of all, draw a line and write here in at least approximately in middle 0, and 1, 2, so on. Here -1, -2. First of all, we have to represent -1 by 2. Here -1 by 2, you think this -1 by 2 is lies between 0 and -1, not between -1 and -2. So first of all, identify the rational number by which two integers it lies between. So first of all, here I think -1 by 2 lies between 0 and -1, and here consider its remainder, its denominator. Its denominator is 2. That means we have to divide 0 and -1 distance, this distance, into two equal parts. Here I draw a point, mark a point, and this part is divided into two equal parts, and draw it and take point P is equal to, here this point represented -1 by 2. Again 1 by 2 is represented, you know 1 by 2 is positive rational number. That means it lies between right side the 0, and it's also lies between 0 and 1. So you have to represent it, divide this distance in two equal parts. So here I mark a point, and here after 0 and 1, between 0 and 1, this part is divided into two equal parts. This point divides it in two equal parts. That means it is Q point, or Q equal to 1 by 2. So this type of process used and represent all the rational numbers on number line. Suppose another example, you have to represent 3 by 2, 9 by 4 on a number line. First of all, identify this number, this rational number lies which two integers. Here 3 by 2 means 1 whole 1 by 2. That means its value lies between 1 and between 1 and 2, because 1 is whole and some part is added, but it is less than 2. So this value 3 by 2 is lies between 1 and 2. Here 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is equal to 2 whole 1 by 4. That means 9 by 4 lies between 2 and 3. First of all, consider this. After that, draw a line. Here take 0. This type left side is -1, -2, minus. Here no one rational number is in minus, so I here no longer represent minus negative integers. I write here 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Students, here first of all represent 1 by 1 whole 1 by 2. That means this number, this rational number is lies between 1 and 2, and this rational number lies between 2 and 3. So first of all here 1, and 1 is this point, and after that some parts, after that 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 you represent here this distance divided into two equal parts, because its denominator is 2. So this point is represented by this point represent point P equal to 1 whole 1 by 2, because up to 0 to here 1 unit, and here 1 by 2 unit. That means this point T is equal to 1 whole 1 by 2. That means it is equal to 3 by 2. After that, we have to represent 9 by 4. That means 2 whole 1 by 4. That means this point is lies between 2 and 3. So up to 2 is this distance 0 to 2, and after that here 2 whole number, so up to 2 distance is clear, and after that 1 by 4. So here denominator is 4. That means you have to divide this distance into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4 part. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. Here 1 by 4 means first part is 1 by 4. That means here 2 whole 1 by 4. This point Q is equal to 2 whole 1 by 4. That means its value is equal to 9 by 4. Similarly, you can represent all these type of points on number line.